Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very good and I wish you all should be doing at your best very soon. I wish and I hope that you have already enjoyed and the previous year question series on light chapter which was uploaded in our YouTube channel. If you did not watch it, go to our channel and playlists and go through the questions which are made ready for you. So here we are creating previous year question series on human eye and colorful world chapter. So in that I brought a question to you. What is dispersion of white light? State its cause. Draw a diagram to show dispersion of beam of white light by a glass prism. So first let us answer each question one by one. First let us state what is dispersion of white light. What is dispersion of white light? Dispersion of white light means, see, when a question is asked in the same way, you have to answer in the same way. So here if you see what is dispersion of white light, in continuation they asked. So first you define or explain what is dispersion of white light. What is dispersion? Dispersion means answer splitting up of white light. Splitting up of white light into its constituent colors. Into its constituent colors is called dispersion. Is called dispersion. Now, what is the next question they asked? What is the state its cause? State its cause. What is the cause of dispersion of white light? The main cause of dispersion of white light will be the wavelength of each color. Different colors has different wavelength. Because of that, they will go through different amount of refraction, and because of the different amount of refraction that each color goes through, what happens? They will disperse themselves. So the main cause the main cause of dispersion of white light is difference in wavelengths. Difference in wavelengths of each color. Each color. Enough. Now, still they ask to draw a diagram to show dispersion of beam of white light by a glass prism. So let us draw a diagram now. Which diagram you need to draw? I will show you which diagram to need to draw. This diagram you need to draw. This diagram. Okay. So now let us, what are the precautions and what are the things you need to remember while drawing this diagram? See neatly, if you observe this diagram, if you see, first what happened? See, one white light beam came here, and exactly at the point the white light touches the glass prism, what happened? They all light rays got bent. See how much from this was the original light ray direction, and from here to here they all got bent. Correct? See, from here to here they all got bent, and exactly they reach the other surface of the prism. What happened? Exactly they reach other surface of the prism, again they got bent. This bending should be neatly mentioned. Okay, so what are the points? See, glass prism, white light spectrum, violet, red and white light beam, these all parts also should be mentioned neatly. Okay, so now let us draw the diagram. See, take a glass prism, triangular glass prism. How much it is? 6 centimeters. So at like 3 centimeters, you go up. Sorry, this is the point, right? mark a point there, and from here and from here, this is the triangle. So here first thing what you have to do is you take a light ray here, like this white light will come like this until here, and from here you draw a dotted line, because light rays are not passing in the direction anymore, right? Now exactly at this point what happens, all the light rays will bend. So from here to here you take, and the least point you take it as here. So now from here one more point, and until here. And here what happened, again they bent, correct? See, you can see the diagram. See, here they bent, see, and here as they reach the other surface, again they bent down. Both times they bent down only, correct? So here they bent down, see, they bent down, and here again they have to bend down. How much bending? If they are similar, then they will be looking good. Like this. Again they have to bend down. So this is going to be the violet color, this is going to be the red color. This arrow marks will be very important. Name this one as spectrum of white light, and this as beam of white light, beam of white light. This has a glass prism. So name this prism as A, B and C. So this is how the light rays are going to get dispersed. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video very soon.